Another thrilling afternoon in paradise. 5 hours to go. Get it together, Barnaby. Almost done.
Dad, I want these boxing gloves.
How many times do I have to tell you? You need to focus on your studies, not this.
Just gotta keep going. One more stop. This is not who I am. I'm here to do great things.
Another day.
I told you twice, Barnaby. You don't punch in late and leave the till short. You think this place runs on good
I'm
intentions?
done, Mr. Fern. I quit.
Wait, what?
100 grand. One fight. Somebody's got to win it. Why not me?
All right. Up we go. One step at a time. Keep breathing. Let's make it count. I will make it one day. I will have to make it. I have no choice.
Look at the little cotton ball trying to punch air. Go find some carrots, little guy.
You need to stop this and go back to your job, son. We are bunnies. This is not for us.
I can do this, Dad. Trust me.
Not giving up. Not today.
Coach Rex, I know I'm small, but I work harder than anyone. I need your experience. I swear I won't waste a second of your time or training.
We'll see.
Hold it steady, kid. You're not done yet.
I'm at 50.
Then let's see 51. Dig in. Come on, push the floor through the basement. There it is.
Hands up, chin down. Good. Keep them snapping. That's it. Quick like you stole something. Don't wait. Let it go. That's the bite. One more set.
Your chin tucked. Breathe through it. Tomorrow you make them feel every ounce of this.
Yeah.
Good. Snap the jab. Let that cross ride right behind it.
Got it.
That's it, kid. You're ready.
Keep him up, kid. Light on the toes, chin tucked, yeah?
Got it, Barnaby.
Jab. Good. Cross. Again, snap it.
How's that?
Clean. Now add the hook. Ready?
Ready.
Nerves are fine, kid. Means you care. But all that training, it's in there. You just gotta let it out. Tonight, you show him who Barnaby is.
Yeah, I will.
Go get him, champ.
Ladies and gentlemen, by knockout in the third round, your winner, Barnaby!
You did it.
That raccoon you just fought barely broke a sweat. You need more power, Barnaby, or you won't last against the champion.
Power comes later, Coach. Evasion won those rounds.
Easy, kid. Breathe. Let all that noise fade out. It's just you, the ring, and what you train for. Keep your guard high, watch your shoulder, and stay calm.
Yeah, got it.
Good. Now go show him what a rabbit can do.
Look at you, Tiny. You really think those patchy shorts are gonna keep you standing when I drop a paw on you?
Shorts don't win fights. Focus does.
Focus won't save you when the bell rings.
We'll see.
Misses, and the rabbit comes back. Jab, cross, he lands clean on the jaw. Uppercut sneaks through, the bear stumbles, but he swings.
Keep your guard high, kid. Make him miss.
Got it.
You're finished, little rabbit. Now, dig to the body, then bring it upstairs. That's it. Stay on him.
Where'd it go? Crowd's not with me anymore.
Oh, a perfect shot from the rabbit.
Champ is rocked. He's going down.
2, 3,
Listen to this crowd. They can't believe it.
8, 9.
He's out.
Kid, you did it. You went the distance and then some.
Couldn't have done it without you, Coach.
Nah, all heart, all yours. I'm just the guy in
Feels
the
like more
corner.
than that right now.